Today I am making idli or dosha batter. Ingredients: urad dal, rice powder, cooked rice, fenugreek and water. First we grind urad dal and fenugreek. Then grind cooked rice. Then mix it with urad dal. Then add roasted rice powder and mix everything together. Our idli batter is ready. Keep it for around 14 to 16 hours. Thank you.